If you want to download your bank statement from IDFC net banking, then how can you do that? That I'm going to explain in today's video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe. Let's start the video. Now, to download statement from IDFC net banking, you can open any particular browser and search for IDFC net banking, and then you'll come to this login page. You have to enter your mobile number, then your password and OTP, and then you can complete the login process. We have successfully completed the login process. Now, this is how the home screen looks like. You can check out your customer ID, your account number. If you want to check your balance, you have an option of checking balance over here. Now, there are two ways by which you can simply download your statement. Now, the first way is on the home screen itself. If you scroll down, you can see there is an option of account statement over here. Select that, and we are on the account statement page. Now, this was the first way. The second way is you can simply go in account section, and here you can see there are three vertical dots. Select that and select download statement. If you select this option, once again we are on the same page. You can select any one option as per your requirement. So you can select current month option over here. You have last month option. You have last 3 months, last 6 months. If you want to select any customized date, you can select custom option, and here you can select from date and to date. After that, you can select the format. If you want in Excel format or PDF format, you can select the format, and you can simply select download option. So let's fill up all the details now. So let's select any particular date for now. If I select from, let's say if I want statement from June, and in 2 I have to select July 1. So I have selected the custom date as per my requirement. After that, select download option, and once the download is complete, you can see we have successfully downloaded the statement, and you can check out your statement over here, or else you can just simply go in download option in your mobile or on your laptop to check out the bank statement. If I scroll down, you can see this is the statement. So guys, these are the simple steps you have to follow in order to download bank statement through IDFC net banking. If you find this video informative, don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one. Thank you.